Alright, so in this part I'm going to show you how to make some vanilla frosting. And what you need is a stick of butter, which is equivalent to a half a cup or 8 tablespoons. And then some powdered sugar. And then some baking vanilla. And then some milk, and you can use any type of milk you want. And then if you want, you can even add some sprinkles too. Alright. And with the powdered sugar, we need 1/4 of a cup. And that should look good enough. Well, how about we start out with 1/4 of a cup? Alright. Okay. Alright. And then we need to add the stick of butter. And we need the stick of butter to be close to room temperature or at room temperature. Alright, and then we need 1/4 of a cup of milk, and I'm using oat milk. And it looks like that. And we're gonna pour that in. And then we need 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. But if you want your frosting to be more sweet, you can always add some more powdered sugar to it. And we are going to use the electrical mixer and mix it up. Oh yeah. Okay, well, like with the butter, maybe it's best if we melt the butter because it looks like this and it doesn't look like it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna try melting the butter to see if that works and to see if it helps thicken it up. But then it could be because I didn't add enough of powdered sugar either. But I'm gonna have to experiment to see what I did on my part. Okay, yeah, I did not think I had enough perfection sugar, or in other words, powdered sugar. So, oh shucks. Alright, then most of that I'm gonna have to be adding a half a cup. So now I'm up to 3/4 a cup of perfection sugar. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh yeah. I just came up with something. With the recipe I'm using, it does say it's gluten-free too. So it could be changing up the texture too. Okay, I'm going to search up a different recipe. So I'm just gonna have to do that. Alright, so I did look at some other recipes on the internet, but then I also searched up how to get your frosting to thicken up, and then Google claims to add some cornstarch. I don't really know how true this is because not everything on the internet is really 100% true. But let's give it a try. Alright, so I'm going to start out with a teaspoon. Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah, I need to add a little bit more. Okay, there. Let's see if this will work. Okay, it looks like it's starting to thicken up a bit. So technically, in this case, the internet's still not lying to me. Okay. But if you are really making the same recipe that I am, and it's a little runny, if you want, you can add some cornstarch to it. It seems like that the cornstarch is working, so. Okay. But yeah, with adding cornstarch, you can add it until the frosting is the consistency that you like it to be at. Alright, and then when the frosting is all made up with the cornstarch in it, it should look something like this. And let's see how this works on the cupcake. Oh yeah, and sorry about the whole confusion thing too. Alright, and then with this frosting, if you want, you can add some sprinkles. Because there's some rainbow sprinkles you could add. And there's some designer ones. And some more of the rainbow ones. And you can even add some like Christmassy ones if you're like making some, if you want it to be like more Christmassy. And there's some Valentine ones you could add. Or if you want, you can even add some decorating sugar to it too. And there's a lot of options for sprinkles these days. And with the sprinkles, you can really use any type and color you like. And then that's the same with the decorating sugar too.